Hi, this is Vanessa with Designs by Vanessa. Today I have a quick tutorial on the linen stitch. So this is what it looks like, and this is my Tyler Slouch beanie. This is the crochet version. I actually have a knit version of the same beanie. This one is coming soon. This one is already available in all my shops. Today we are going to be working in rows, so we'll be working back and forth. If you want to watch or learn the method for working in the round, I'll link a video for that. It's actually a free pattern for one of my chunky scarves, and it'll show you exactly how to work this stitch in the round. Okay, so you want to start with your slip knot, and you can use any yarn with the appropriate hook size. I'm using Hobby Lobby's hook. Oh, sorry. It's a 9mm, and this is Lion Brand's Woolies Thick and Quick, and it's super bulky. So you want to chain any even number of stitches. So yarn over and pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over and pull through. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and let's do 10. Okay, so I have 10 stitches. Now you want to work 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So that means this chain here doesn't count as a stitch. This is your first one, so that's your first stitch, and that's your second stitch. So you want to work into the second stitch from your hook. So insert your hook and then yarn over, pull up a loop. With 2 loops on your hook, you want to yarn over and pull through both loops. So that's your single crochet. You want to chain 1 by yarning over and pulling it through. And because we chain 1, we want to skip the next stitch and place another single crochet in the very next stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. With 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. Okay, so the repeat is chain 1, skip a stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, chain 1, skip a stitch, 1 single crochet into the next. Okay, now I have 2 more stitches left. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the next, which is your last stitch. Okay, so now you've completed your first row. So now we're going to chain 1 and turn your work. So now we're going to start working in the chain 1 spaces. Okay, so right here, that's a chain 1 space. This was your single crochet. That's another chain 1 space. So we're not working into the loops of the stitches. We're going to work into the spaces, and I love working into the spaces because there's less errors for you to make when you're inserting your hook, because it's pretty much a big hole in your work. So after you chain 1 and turn your work, you're going to work your first. So if I turn this around, this is the chain 1 right here. Okay, so 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space, and then the repeat is skip chain 1, 1 single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1. Now you're going to work your last single crochet into the single crochet from before. So now you will chain 1 and turn to start row 3, and it's pretty much a repeat of the last row, so row 2. So you chain 1, you work 1 single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and then 1 single crochet into the last stitch here. Okay, so that is pretty much the repeat. You just work back and forth until you're happy with your size, and don't forget to check out the video for working this stitch in the round. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.